Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a multiple lines to Instagram bio. Most of the people face too much problem in writing that multiple line to their Instagram bio. But I'm gonna tell you how to do this. So assume that you have an iPhone and you want to add multiple line bio. Then how you can do this? So you guys have to tap on edit profile. Here you have to tap on bio. And here what you guys will do in iPhone there is no any enter key or return key, so you guys have to just turn on the microphone on your iPhone. So after turning on the microphone on your iPhone, you guys have to just say new line. So whenever you say new line, Siri will detect your voice and it will create a new line for you in your bio. So in this way you guys can do multiple multi-line bios in your Instagram. And in Android, what you guys can do is you guys can be easy to see the return icon or enter icon, which is on bottom rightmost corner. So you guys have to just tap on it, and here you guys can be able to use multiple line bios in your Android phone, or you guys can also tap on the microphone icon and say period new line. So in this way, Google will detect your voice and you guys can easily add multiple lines to Instagram bio. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.